This video will be talking about how to bold some data that you have entered into a spreadsheet. So here I have my Excel spreadsheet, and what I have a number of things that are bold meaning that it is in a darker print than some of the other things. You can see where it says here October 6th is darker print than the where it says budgeted right underneath. Where it says expenses right here, it's also darker than the stuff that's underneath. But what I want is to make this box here that says income, I want that to also be in bold print, in darker, thicker print. So I click on the cell that has the word income on it, and that is in cell A5. Remember, column A, row 5 is cell A5. Then I come up to my formatting toolbar to the button that says bold. Now this the bold button is has a big dark letter B on it. I press that button in, and you see that my button now, or my text in A5 is now bolded. I have a few others that I have to do as well. And again, I just select what I need, and I click on bold, select what I need, and then I click bold. In addition to bolding text, you can also control text in other ways, such as to do something called aligning. Now, aligning means that the text is either pushed up against one side of the cell, or centered on the cell, or pushed up against the other side. For instance, for text like this, where it's all letters and numbers, it's all pushed up against the left side of the cell, so this is called align left. Numbers, on the other hand, are always pushed up against the right, so those are called aligned right. And if I wanted to have something in the very center of the cell, that is called center aligned. Now you notice when I clicked on budgeted, right up here on my formatting toolbar, I have a button pushed in that says align center. Now that means that it was aligned to the center of the cell. If I wanted to have it pushed up to the left, I would click on this button here, and you can see that this button, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, this button here has all of these dashed lines on the button are all pushed up in a straight line to the left. That means that it is considered align left. And I want you to watch what happens when I press this button. Keep your eye on where it says budgeted. And you see it got pushed over to the left. I can click on the other button here that says align text right, and that will push it all the way over toward the right. But I actually want to have it in the center, so I'll just click in the center again. We'll zoom back out again. You could also have something both aligned and bolded at the same time, so you just push them both together, and you can have something that is both aligned in the center and also in bold print.